let's talk about the synchronization between two AC power sources. So let's take an example then, mains and a diesel generator. I need to synchronize the diesel generator to that main supply. How do I do it? There's 4 key things that need to match between the main supply and the generator supply. The first one is the phase sequence. The second one is the voltage. The third one is the frequency. And the fourth one is the phase angle between the two supplies. So let's talk about the phase sequence then. This is something that can't be changed or altered when you're running that generator. It has to be right from the beginning. So firstly, the main supply needs to be determined what it is. Is it L1, L2, L3, or is it L1, L3, L2? Once you've found that out, you just need to make sure your generator is operating in the same phase sequence. So now we start the generator up. What we need to do is we need to make sure the voltage is the same, we need to make sure the frequency is the same, and we need to make sure the phase angle is the same. So generators have an AVR on them. We need to bias that AVR so that the voltage goes up or down depending on what we need to do to match that main supply. For the frequency, generators also have a governor on them, and this is what determines the speed of the generator. The speed is directly proportional to the frequency. So in order to get the frequency to the right level, we just need to bias that governor to go up or down depending on what the main supply is. And then finally, we've got the speed right, we've got the volts right, we need to get the phase angle right, and that's just by tweaking the governor just a little bit till that we get that phase angle down to 0. So once you've got the phase sequence right, the voltage right, the frequency right, and the phase angle right, then the generator breaker can close and parallel both supplies so they're electrically locked in.